Max from BL Realty and Brokerage. So, if you are looking for a house and lot, this is a very nice house and lot for you. Come and join me! As you enter, you will be welcomed with very wide, greeny, and very nice garden. Alright, so aside from having a lot of plants and flowers, you can also use this space for your exercise. Alright guys, so the door is cream. It is very nice because in the Philippines we know we have a lot of mosquitoes, so this is a very nice door. Let's go! Upon entering, you will be welcomed with very nice living room. You can see the lights are very nice and the interior is very nice. Take note that this house and lot is fully furnished, and I would really say that it's very affordable knowing that all the things here are already included. Alright guys, now we are going in their kitchen area. And take note, they have their bar area and their bars too. You can put your wines there. This is their kitchen and it is quartz where you can put your microwave, rice cooker. Alright, so these are the kitchen storage, and also below here a lot of storage where you can put different cleaning materials or other materials that you don't want to be seen. What I really like with this place because it has good lightings and also the air can pass through like in and out, so it's really refreshing. And as you can see, this house is open space because there's no divider. Like you can see people here in the living area while you are doing something here in the kitchen. So you can have fun and fellowship even you are preparing some snacks or preparing some food. So this is really a very nice house. Come on, let's get inside to the master's bedroom. Alright, as you can see, it is very spacious. From the bedroom, you have your own walk-in closet. And as you can see, you have a lot of storage where you can put all your mattress, your luggages up, and then inside you can put your clothes, or maybe you like to preserve your shoes and other things. Now we are in the dining area. So, as Filipino, we really like to eat a lot. So this is very important place for us. As you can see, the dining set is very nice, very sturdy. This is made out from a hardwood. You know what wood it is. And then you can see this very huge mirror, like your full body. You can see your full body. As you notice, in this house, they have a lot of elegant lights. That is one of the things I really like with this interiors. Let's go outside. Alright guys, so we have there their water tank. This property is 547 square meter. Inside the house, we have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1 powder room. Outside, we have 2 bedrooms for your guest, visitor, or your house helper. And also, you have your dirty kitchen and washing area. So what are you waiting for? I hope that you will buy this property. Just call or message us with the information below. Next time for more videos only here at BL Realty and Brokerage.